Here's the secret truth about growing older. Strength doesn't disappear overnight. It fades slowly, quietly slipping away due to hidden factors we rarely see coming. One of the biggest is circulation. As the years go by, our arteries stiffen, slowing the steady flow of oxygen and nutrients to our muscles. Picture a river that's normally wide and fast, teeming with life. But over time, sediment builds up, narrowing the flow until what was once a rushing stream becomes sluggish and shallow. The water still moves, but the banks start to wither and the fish begin to struggle. Our muscles face the same fate when circulation weakens. Without that steady supply of nourishment, even simple tasks leave us drained, stiff and sore. Getting out of bed feels like wrestling an anaconda. Climbing the stairs is a test of endurance. And sitting for too long leaves our limbs leaden and unmoving. The good news is research shows we can keep our rivers flowing and our muscles thriving with gentle daily practices. A short walk, a bit of stretching, and eating foods that boost circulation can help clear away the sediment and bring new life to our tired bodies. Next is inflammation. Like a slow smoldering fire, low-grade inflammation builds silently in our bodies over time. We may not feel it directly, but it weakens our muscles, stiffens our joints, and drains our energy day by day. Think of a fire that burns steadily, never intensely, but always there, slowly consuming what it touches. Fueling our bodies with smart food choices, staying properly hydrated and moving regularly can help douse those flames and shield our strength as we age. Our hormones also shift after 60. The internal messengers that tell our muscles to repair and grow become less active, slowing recovery and making soreness more common. But our bodies remain adaptable. With proper nutrition, restorative sleep, and consistent movement, we can reawaken these signals and rebuild our strength. In reality, decline isn't caused by any one single factor. It's the combined effect of gradual muscle loss, weaker circulation, lingering inflammation, and hormonal changes. Too many people assume this is just normal aging and give up. But decline is not inevitable. It can be slowed, even reversed, through daily choices. And here's the surprising part. Timing matters as much as action. Our body runs on a built-in clock that regulates digestion, hormone release, repair, and recovery. When our habits sync with this rhythm, energy flows naturally. When they don't, even healthy habits lose power. It's like trying to plant seeds in winter. The effort is real, but the results are weak. In the morning, our body is primed for movement and nourishment. A short walk gets our muscles and brain energized, while a protein-rich breakfast helps fuel repair and stabilize blood sugar levels. Skip breakfast or fill up on sugary foods, and we set ourselves up for afternoon fatigue and crash. At night, our body shifts into repair mode. That's when deep sleep rebuilds muscle and balances hormones. But staying up till late, eating heavy meals, or stressing the system robs us of the most restorative hours, leaving us tired despite a full night's sleep. Even small habits follow this rhythm. Drinking water first thing in the morning reactivates digestion and circulation. Waiting until evening leads to restless sleep. Movement, food, rest, and hydration all work best when done at the right time. So, how do we keep our strength and vigor as we age without drastic measures? The secret lies in small, repeatable habits done daily. Think of your body as a garden. A little water each day keeps the soil fertile and the roots strong, but flood it all at once and everything struggles. Our bodies don't thrive on extremes. They flourish with steady care. That's why consistency trumps intensity. 10 minutes of stretching every morning matters more than a 3-hour yoga session once a week. One nourishing breakfast repeated daily is more powerful than striving for a perfect diet. A few deep breaths in the morning, practiced consistently, lower stress hormones and improve resilience. It's the small, steady actions that make the biggest difference. Consider the power of a habit like drinking water first thing in the morning. It's simple, yet profoundly effective. Starting the day hydrated kickstarts digestion, wakes up your cells and boosts circulation. Over time, this tiny habit can help prevent muscle loss, reduce joint pain, and improve balance and endurance. Imagine waking up, feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. You reach for a glass of water, quenching your thirst and giving your body the hydration it craves. As the day progresses, you notice increased energy and focus. Simple tasks become effortless and your body feels lighter and more resilient. That's the quiet power of consistent habits. Another practice with immense benefits is a morning walk. It doesn't need to be strenuous, just regular. Daily movement is key to maintaining strength and mobility. A short walk increases blood flow, strengthens bones, improves balance, and reduces inflammation. Over time, this can help combat muscle loss, increase endurance, and alleviate joint pain. Imagine stepping outside each morning, breathing in the fresh air, and letting movement invigorate your body. As you walk, your muscles stretch and relax, preparing you for the day ahead. With each step, you build strength, endurance, and a sense of well-being that carries you through the day. Consistency is key, so start small. Even 10 minutes daily can make a big difference. Over time, this habit can help you maintain your mobility and independence, allowing you to enjoy an active, fulfilling life. Then there's the impact of a nutrient-dense breakfast. It's not about quantity, but quality. Consuming a balanced meal of protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats provides the essential nutrients needed for muscle repair and energy. This can help prevent muscle loss, improve endurance, and support overall health. Imagine starting your day with a nourishing breakfast that fuels both body and mind. As you eat, your muscles are repaired, your energy is stabilized, and you're ready to take on the day. Over time, this habit can help maintain your strength, improve your metabolism, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Small, consistent steps lead to lasting change. Each of these habits is powerful on its own, but their true strength lies in consistency. Doing a little bit every day makes a bigger difference than a lot done sporadically. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports strength and vitality, not chasing quick fixes. But how do we stay motivated to keep these habits going? The answer lies in understanding our natural rhythms. Our bodies have an internal clock that regulates various functions, including digestion, hormone release, repair, and recovery. When we align our habits with these rhythms, we harness the body's natural flow of energy, making it easier to maintain our strength and vigor. In the morning, our bodies are primed for movement and nourishment. A short walk, a bit of stretching, or a nourishing breakfast becomes more effective when done early. These habits provide the boost we need to kickstart our metabolism and prepare our bodies for the day. At night, our bodies shift into repair mode, winding down with relaxation techniques. Gentle movement or a comforting bedtime routine helps signal this shift. These practices allow our bodies to fully rest and rejuvenate, setting us up for a renewed morning. Even small habits follow these rhythms. Drinking water first thing in the morning or before a meal aids digestion and keeps our bodies hydrated. Waiting until evening to drink can disrupt sleep and lead to dehydration. Movement earlier in the day increases energy, while gentle stretches or yoga in the evening promote relaxation. Nourishing meals timed appropriately support stable energy levels and healthy digestion. By syncing our habits with our body's natural rhythms, we make it easier to maintain the strength and vitality we desire. Instead of fighting against our internal clock, we work with it, supporting our body's innate ability to thrive. In essence, decline after 60 is not a certainty, but a potential outcome if we ignore the subtle shifts and gradual changes in our bodies. By embracing small, consistent habits that support our strength and vitality, we can rewrite this narrative. Drinking water in the morning, taking daily walks, enjoying nutritious breakfasts, and aligning our habits with our natural rhythms are practices that, when done consistently, yield significant results over time. They are the threads that weave together a tapestry of strength, resilience, and vitality. Just as a tapestry is only as strong as its weakest thread, our strength is limited by our weakest habit. So let's choose wisely, consistently, and with intention. Every small step is a vote in favor of a stronger, healthier, more vibrant you. In the grand tapestry of life, may your strength be your most enduring thread, your vitality, the brightest color, and your spirit, the guiding light that illuminates the path ahead.